you know how it feels when I'm down on my knees. You know I'd rather be alone than in bad company. You know everything about me, what I couldn't see. Oh yeah, you know what it means. Yeah, you've got me, you've got me, you've got me, yeah. You've got me, you've got me, yeah, you've got me. I play it on repeat. My heart skips a beat. Sometimes all I think is that I was made for you. We can talk for hours. You make me feel like I could be whoever I wanna be. Well, I want to be yours. Where you know how it feels when I'm down on my knees. You know I'd rather be alone than in bad company.
Hi, loves. So we're at our destination now. So this is the Bendu Resource or the Bendu Village. I really like the vibe here because today is a weekday. It's kind of quiet and calm. A place you can think and refresh and connect with nature. I really love nature and vibes like this, and I'm happy to be here. So I quickly drew a picture all around and how the place is, and I feel like you can do more within the hours ahead of time before we go home or en route back to our destination. So yeah, from where I'm sitting here, I can see the mountainous view. The relief here is so nice. In fact, nature, God, thank you. So cool, the air and everything. The wood vibe, the trees. I said it earlier on anyway, but I'm just so happy and excited in my mind, and I'm sharing this story right now. So yeah, that's what it looks like from behind me and where I'm sitting. So where I'm sitting, and this is my view. What I was showing you guys. Yeah, you will come to it.
What I couldn't see. Oh yeah, you know what it means. Yeah,
Jesus.
you've got me, you've got me, you've got me, yeah. You've got me, you've got me, yeah, you've got me. You've got me, you've got me, yeah. Oh yeah, you know what it means. Yeah, you've got me.
Let's shuffle before and then.
Yeah, shuffle.
Shuffle.
Uh-oh.
You're the phone. I'm not the phone.
It's the edge.
This thing takes time.
It takes time to understand. So I pick my thing.
So there are different symbols and numbers.
Yeah.
K means kin, bigger, queen. So it's a good of kin. That's a good kin. The numbers here, 2, 3. Oh, listen to me. There are symbols. Leave it down. It'll be a clap, it'll be a lap, it'll be a diamond, it'll be an ace. Yeah. So assuming you see maybe 7 fail. See, I want 7 about. So what be a bigger than we are. Probably we are 8, and that's all 9 and 10. I say, oh, be a hands. Okay, now you have the power. So now you please now bring a number. As I sound about the bar. The 9 cents. I'm still using Tiano. No more way.
Inside.
To say my power me trim.
It's one or deba.
No, the back. No. Me did the way aba.
Sane kenaba.
So be a is there.
I am married.
So could I hear answer be. And also we number be away. Oh, we be so in the back. So be with me at all. Only J. I be K with and J. Still I'm
How is K bigger than J?
Oh.
A B C D F G H I J K. Okay.
And K is being Ken. K is Queen. So J is greater than Queen, but K is greater than all of them. So is there no still win to win pim. Okay, win to
You intentionally remove the kings.
I want to remove the kings. And then that shuffle the cards. Only be. There is over. Only things. It will be. They say I have one. They say I have 3 points. 0 points.
That's how they do it. Oh, okay. Why you don't add it to the shuffling card?
Say I know la boy. Say I know do. Say I know. We na young boy.
Oh, okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
So should 3. I should 3 number. I should 2. I should 2. I want to say I'm not.
I don't know how to.
And so, I was winning. I say 1-1. But so, with me the small number, we need to be a 6. So, with me the 6, we need last hour. We have 3 points. So, with me the 7, we need 2 points. I said that any other point we need 1 point.
Oh, okay.
They say 1 point in the middle. To say I'm not there.
Which one is that?
The love. Only be.
Ah. Is that not bigger than what you're having?
See, I said symbol. No, you say you have to match. You be and symbol near. This is club. This is lab. There's an umbrella. They say, "Oh, we na the tana." They say, "Why you? And they can punish you."
Hey.
So you have to bring. I didn't want to saw the bigger number. Only be a fine. You can issue the smaller number.
Okay.
That's how we play it.
This is how we do it.
It's 8 diamond. It's all the diamond ever. See how you cancel me, so now you have to make a number.
Okay.
Now, never that you think that it will be difficult for me to cancel. So now you born. Maybe you know.
I'm sample.
You will be back. I small still on a rainy. And I mean to collab. Maybe to say no. All the 6 the 6 because 6 it's a smaller number within the win. So assume say you've done extremely well.
Okay.
So you get 3 points.
Okay.
This is what I mean by say ultimate 6 a kill game now. We have 3 points.
I don't really know.
Like a